Hello friends, have you facing problem relating to the issuance of the passport or renewal of the passport? Your passport application is pending from several months and passport authority is not deciding your application? Is police has given adverse report on your passport application that there is a criminal case pending against you, and now you are thinking that you not able to get the passport? Or in this situation, when there is a criminal case pending against you or a adverse report from the police authority has been forwarded to the regional passport officer that the person who applied for this passport, who filled up this application or who applied for the renewal of the passport, has a criminal case and he has to be face the criminal trial in the concerned district, and therefore the passport regional officer is not issuing the passport, or you are facing trouble in issuance of the passport. At this stage, I want to make sure that you will get the passport 100%. It is because free movement is protected under Article 21, and the passport is a very important document, and it is always be required when a person want to travel abroad. In the modern era, there may be several types of emergency when a concerned person has to visit abroad. Maybe their family is there, maybe there is medical emergency, maybe there is job opportunity. There may be several reasons that a particular citizen want to visit foreign land, and in this case he has to have a passport, and it is protected under Article 21, Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. Now the question is how you will get your passport while your case is not decided by the passport officers, or your passport is not issued by the concerned authority. Firstly, we have to understand that criminal case may be registered against you by three ways. First one is there may be NCR, there is registration of non-cognizable offence against you. It is a particular class. Then second one is there is a registration of FIR against you. There is registration of cognizable offence. In those type of offences in which imprisonment is 2+ years. And third one is a complaint case, a private complaint case. In the NCR, if you fall into the category A, that the NCR category, that there is only a registration of NCR against you, that the non-cognizable registration of offences. Then the procedure of investigation on NCR is that whenever a particular person lodged an NCR against a particular person, then NCR get registered, but it is till now the criminal law is not in motion. On that NCR, the concerned police authority has to apply an application before the concerned magistrate and asking for permission of investigation, and once the magistrate give the permission for the investigation, then police authority investigate and file the charge sheet in the concerned court, and then on that charge sheet, when court take cognizance and it feels that the court feels that there should be trial, then the stage of charge is commenced. Now the second class of we can say the category is there is registration of FIR against you. Whenever there is a registration of FIR for a particular case, for a particular offence, then police has power and police is duty bound to do investigation, and it must be completed in 24 hours. Meaning thereby FIR and NCR is almost the same thing, but in FIR police is duty bound to do investigation, while in NCR police has to seek or has to leave the permission of magistrate. And then a complaint case. If the most important thing is cognizance of the court. If your case is at cognizance stage, then you have to take permission from the court, and if your case is at charge sheet stage or during investigation, then the police authority is duty bound to not to send adverse report against you. If there is only NCR but investigation is not ordered by the concerned magistrate, or not permission is not granted by the concerned magistrate, or police has not taken permission from the concerned magistrate, and although they send adverse report that there is a registration of NCR against you and passport regional authority is not issuing your passport only on the basis of that NCR, it is bad in the law, and High Court may grant the relief in this scenario. Further, when FIR is registered against you and investigation is going on or charge sheet is not submitted, in this case also you can approach Honorable High Court and get your passport ready from the passport authorities. But when you are on bail and trial is going on, in this scenario you have to apply before the concerned court for no objection certificate, and when you get the no objection certificate from that court, then your passport will be issued on the basis of that no objection certificate from the concerned court. But concerned court may specify the date on your passport, and if there is no mentioning of any particular date, then that passport is valid only up to 1 year. Meaning thereby, if there is a criminal case against you, there is right that you can enjoy holding the passport of your nation, and this right is not completely snatched from you only because there is a criminal case. The only thing is differ from other person is that your passport will be issued for limited period of time, but it will be issued again and again from time to time. I hope this information will be beneficial for you. Thank you.